Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming physical connections and opening Windows sound settings. This rules out simple hardware faults. Once done, check system sound for output devices and use WinPlusa to access quick audio controls. Next, open Device Manager to see if audio controllers are listed or flagged with errors. That shows whether drivers aren't loaded. If you don't see controllers, make sure hidden devices are shown. This first sweep separates cable or hardware problems from driver or configuration issues. Now focus on drivers. Right-click your audio adapter in Device Manager and choose Update Driver. If the issue began after an update, select Roll Back Driver. If automatic updates fail, download the OEM driver from the sound card or laptop maker. Drivers from the vendor often fix missing device errors. After installing, reboot. Then run Windows Settings Troubleshoot Playing Audio to let the OS repair common config issues. Make sure the audio service is running. If not, start or restart it to apply the driver changes. Finish with Advanced Configuration. Open the Classic Sound Control panel, right-click blank space to show disabled devices and enable any outputs. Then set your preferred device as the default and confirm the sample rate matches device capabilities. If that still fails, enable onboard audio in BIOS/UEFI or try a recent system restore point to undo problematic updates. If nothing fixes it, one key troubleshooting tip. Boot to safe mode to confirm whether third-party software or drivers are blocking audio. That narrows repair options quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.